Good morning, children. Continue this class, real numbers. Next, find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimals. Root 5 is a irrational number. We can find the decimal values. Okay. So, we can use long division method. First of all, 5 is written as decimal form. 5.0000 so on. So every two zeros we can take one pair. This is the one of the group. So every two zeros is one group. So we can take bar. Every one group equals to one of the bar. Okay. So next step, 5.0000, we can take perfect square, nearest to perfect square of the 5. Here 1 square value 1 and 2 square value 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16. The nearest to perfect square is 4. So 4 is written as 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. We bring down right side of the remainder. First two zeros are first pair of the zeros. Okay. This is the new dividend of the given numbers. So next we can add quotient. 2 plus 2, that equal to 4. Next we can observe first two digit of the divisor and first two digits of the dividend 10. So factors of the 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So nearest factor is 8. So here we take 2. Divisor, at the divisor is also we can take 2. Next 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So subtract 100 and 84. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. So bring down next to two zeros right side of the remainder. We can get 1600. Next 42 plus last digit of the quotient is 2. So add this digit. 2 plus 2, 4 and 4. So we can observe first two digit of the divisor, first three digit of the dividends. Here 44, here 160. So 44 4s are above 160. So we can take 3. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9 minus 2, 7. Next 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Next two zeros or one pair of zeros. Bring down right side of the remainder. We can take two zeros. And same process. Last digit of the quotient we can add divisor. 3 plus 3 6, 4 4, 446. 446. So we can observe first two digits and first three digits. Here 44, here 271, nearly 270. So 48 are 280. It is not possible. Next to 46 are 240. So the nearest number is 6 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 6 4 are 24 plus 3, 27. 6 4, 24 plus 2, 26. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. Next to 10 minus 7, 3. So remainder is 304. So after the decimal we have to 3 digits. So root 5, therefore root 5 equals to 2.236, so on. Okay. Question. Locate root 2 on number line. Here root 2 is a irrational number. Okay. So first of all, draw a number line. First, draw a number line. Here 0, right side positive values and left side negative values. On this number line we can draw one square. So length of the each side we can take 1 unit. O, A, B, C is a square, and each and every side, length of the each and every side equals to 1 unit. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. So next to join O and B. OB is a diagonal. From triangle here, OAB is a one of the triangle. From this triangle, OA is 1 unit, AB length 1 unit. Find the OB length of the OB. So from Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square. So OA 1 unit, AB also 1 unit square. 1 square value 1, 1 square value 1. So OB square equal to 2. So square root on both sides. OB equal to root 2. So length of the OB equal to root 2. So this is length of the root 2 value. So using the compass or rounder with center O and radius OB units, we can draw on the number line one arc that is intersect at point K. So from O to K, length of the OK equal to root 2 units. So finally, length of the root 2 equal to from O to K. This is the root 2 locate on the number line. Okay. Third problem next. 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. Here 2.874 is a terminating decimal. This is lie between 2 and 3. Number 2 and 3. This is point 2.874. Value is lie between 2 and 3. So first of all we can draw one number line. On this number line 2 and 3. 2 can written as 2.0. 3 is written as 3.0. Between in these two numbers we can take 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each and every part. This is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. Okay. We assume that in our hand we have magnification glass. We can see portion of 2 and 3, that is look like figure number 1. This is figure number 1. Okay. We can see used to magnification glass, we can see portion of 2 and 3 look like this is figure number 1. Okay. So next 2.874 is between 2.8 and 2.9. Okay. So 2.8 between 2.9 we can take 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. So this is 2.8, this is 2.9. 2.8, 2.9. 2.8 can be written as 2.80. Next to 2.9 also 2.90. 2.8 and 2.9, between 2.8 and 2.9 we can draw 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First to 2.80, next to 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 2.84, 2.85, 2.85, 2.86, 2.87, 2.89, 88, 2.89. So in our hand we can have magnification glass. We can see that 2.8 and portion of 2.9. This is look like figure number 2. This is look like figure number 2. Next 2.874. 2.87 and 2.8. So 2.87 and 2.88 divided into the 10 equal parts. We can take another number line. Here this is 2.87 and here 2.88. So 2.87 and 2.88 divided into the 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here this is 2.871. This is 2.872, 2.873, 2.874. 874. Okay. Next 2.875, like that. So here 2.874. So between 2.870 and 2.88, 2.871, 2.872, 2.873, 2.874. This is the required number, that is 2.874 on the locate on number line. Okay, this is 2.874 on the number line. Okay. Next, laws of exponents. Already learning 8th class. First law, a to the power of m into a to the power of n, that equals to a to the power of m plus n. Next, second one, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, that equal to a to the power of m. Next, third one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that equals to a to the power of m minus n. Here, if m is greater than n, next, a to the power of m by a to the power of n equal to 1 by a to the power of n minus m. Here, n is greater than m. Next, fourth one, a to the power of m into b to the power of m, that equals to ab whole to the power of m. Next, fifth one, 1 by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of minus n. So, this is the laws of exponents. So, for example, first problem here, 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Simplify this exponent. So, first of all, 32 can written as 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s, 2 2s. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. Okay. So 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. 2 to the power of 5 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Therefore, 32 power of 1 by 5 equal to 2. Okay. This is the value of 32 by whole to the power of 1 by 5 equal to 2. Next problem, 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6. Simplify this problem. So first 64 can be divided into the prime factors. 2 3s, 2 2s. Next 2 1s, 2 6. Next 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 64 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 by 6. 6 get cancelled, 2. So therefore 64 whole to the power of 1 by 6 is equal to 2. Next problem, 625 whole to the power of 1 by 4. 625 is also we can written as prime factors. 5 1s, 5 2s, 5 5s. Next 5 2s, 5 5s. Next 5 5. So 625 can be written as 5 power of 4. So 5 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So this is written as 4 into 1, 4 by 4. 4 cancel. That equal to 5. So therefore 625 whole to the power of 1 by 4 equal to 5. Okay. This is the value of 625 whole to the power of 1 by 4 equal to 5. Next, properties of square roots. We have to some properties are there. First one is root AB. So this is written as root A into root B. This is first property. Next, second one, root A by B. Root A by root B. Here b does not equals to 0. Next, third one, root a plus root b into root a minus root b. This is like that, a plus b into a minus b. So this is written as a square minus b square, means root a whole square minus root b whole square. Square root get cancelled, a minus b. So root a plus root b into root a minus root b equal to a minus b. And same process, fourth one also, a plus b into a minus b is like that. So a is like that a, b is like that root b. So this is written as a square minus b square. B means root b. B means root b whole square. A plus b into a minus b. A is like that a and b is like that root b. Okay? Are you understand? So square root get cancelled. Here a square minus b. So a plus b root b. A plus root b into a minus root b equals to a square minus b. Next, fifth one, root a plus root b into root c plus root d. So first a into c, root ac. Next a into d, root ad, plus next b into c, root bc. Next, b into d, root bd. So, root a plus root b into root c plus root d equals to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Next, a plus b, root a plus root b whole square. This is also a plus b whole square. So, root a whole square plus root b whole square equal to plus 2ab, 2 into root a into root b, that equals to square root get cancelled, a plus b equal to 2ab, 2 root ab. So root a plus root b whole square equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab. Next, last final one, root of a plus b plus 2 root ab. This is also root a plus root b. Okay, expansion form of root a plus root b equals to under root of a plus b plus 2 root a plus b. Okay, this is the properties of square roots. Next, exercise 1.4, 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Okay, so first 5 into 2 plus 5 into root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 7 into root 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into root 5, 5 root 5. Next, 2 into root 7, 2 root 7. Root a into root b, root a into root b equal to root of ab. Okay, so root 7 into root 5 is written as 7 into 5. So here 10, 5 root 5, 2 root 7, root 35. Okay. Next, second problem, 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. This is like that, a plus b root a plus root b into here a plus root b into a minus root b, that equals to a square minus b. A square minus b. Listen once again. A plus root b into a minus root b is written as a square minus b. Here a is like that 5, b equals to root 5. So a square means 5 square minus b means root 5. 5 square value 25 minus root 5. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 equals to 25 minus root 5. Okay? 25 minus root 5. Here also whole square, here also whole square. So this is written as 25 minus root 5 whole square. 25 minus square root get cancelled 5. 25 minus 5, that equal to 20. Okay? So 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 equal to 20. Okay now? Thank you children. End of this class. Okay?